Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video I am going to talk about two job opportunities. The one is from Capgemini and the other one is from TCS. So first of all, I will talk about Capgemini Pool Campus Drive, which is for 2021 batch students, and for this particular drive engineering and MCA students can apply. And the last date to apply for this particular drive is 15 October. So make sure you apply before this date, and the test will be conducted starting from second week of October. So if we talk about the eligibility criteria, then candidate should be graduating in year 2021 or he should already be graduated. And if we talk about education, so students from MCA, BE BTech or ME MTech, they can apply for this particular drive, and students from BE BTech from all the branches can apply, and students from ME or MTech, they can apply if they are from information technology, information science or computer science branch. And you should have 50% or above in your education, which means in your graduation or diploma. And with this there are some other things given here, like you should be open to sign the service agreement, and you should be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, and you should be able to work in any location or any domain. And with this, candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone. Now academic milestone means you should not have more than 1 year of education gap between your 10th, 12th degree and your post graduation. And with this there are some other things given here, so you can just read this eligibility criteria before applying. Now if we talk about the assessment, so assessment will be starting from second week of October and the last date to apply is 15 October 2021. Now if we talk about the assessment process, so the first step will be technical assessment, which will have only pseudocodes, and the second step will have MCQs, and the third test is game based aptitude test, and after this you will have behavioral competency. And once you clear all these rounds, you will be invited for technical and HR interviews. So that's all about this particular Capgemini Pool Campus Drive. Now let's talk about TCS Smart Hiring. So TCS Smart Hiring is for BCA, BSc or VWalk students who are going to be graduated in year 2020, 21 and 2022. And for this, the registration end date is 2nd November. So make sure you apply before this particular date, and the test date is 19 November and onwards. And interview date will be announced after the test results. Now if we talk about the eligibility criteria in detail, so you should be from BCA, BSc or VWalk to apply for this particular TCS Smart Hiring, and you should be graduated in year 2020, 21 or you should be graduating in year 2022. And with this you should have at least 5 CGPA, or you can say 50% throughout your academics in your 10th, 12th and above mentioned graduation, which means in your BSc, BCA or VWalk. And if we talk about the backlog, so students who are going to be graduated in year 2022, they can have only one backlog at the time of exam, and students who are already graduated in year 2021 and 22, they should not have any pending backlogs. And with this you should not have more than 2 years of educational gap. So this is all about the eligibility criteria of TCS Smart Hiring. Now let's see the test pattern. So the test pattern is given here. So you can see you will have 24 questions in verbal ability and you will have 30 minutes to solve these questions. Similarly, you will have 30 reasoning questions and you will have 50 minutes to solve these. And apart from this, you will have numerical ability 26 questions and you will have 40 minutes to solve this question. So collectively you will have 80 questions and you need to solve these questions in 120 minutes. So this is all about TCS Smart Hiring and Capgemini Pool Campus Drive. So if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.